Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we are going to edit a square thank you card. The size of the card is 3x3. So the first thing I want to mention is the things you cannot do on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. So let me point out the artwork for you. The artwork here is the background and the gold border you see here. Everything else on this template can be changed. You can change the white background. Now this section is locked. You'll see a little lock down below. You see it here. So in order for you to move this section, just go to the top right and click unlock. And now you're going to be able to move this section. Let's click on the white area and change the color. You can choose whatever color you would like. I'm going to go ahead and lock it again so I don't move it. To edit the text, just double click and start typing. And that goes for all the text you see here. You can change the color of the social media icons. These are grouped, so that allows you to move both of them at the same time. If you want to ungroup them, just click, go to the top and click ungroup. And now you should be able to click on each one. Let's remove the placeholder here and upload our own logo. So let's go to the left hand side and click upload. You would want to click on upload media and select your logo. I have my logo already uploaded, so I'm going to click. Now my logo has a transparent background. If I was to change the color of the background here to a different color, my logo is going to blend in with whatever color I choose. If you have a logo with a color background like this one, for example, what you want to do is go to the left hand side and click on elements. Click on the circle. Click on your logo and drag. And now it's going to look fine. Now this is the front of the card and this is the back of the card. So again, here just remove the placeholder. And I'm going to just copy this and paste. And here again, you can just double click and change the information here. You have 3 designs on this template. So this is the first design, the front and back. This is the second design, front and back. And this is the third design, front and back. And you have your social media icons on the last page. So here you have your 3 designs in Spanish. So this is the first design, the second, and the third. And you also have your social media icons on the last page. You are also going to receive with your purchase a printer template. Now this is going to allow you to print 6 cards per sheet. When you use this template, just go to the top right and click add page. If for any reason you were to by accident remove the guides, this is how your page will look. So that's why you always want to keep the first page. So you would just go to files, make sure you have your ruler on and your guides. You have the little check mark here, and just go ahead and drag your guides again on the edges of each square. And this is like a little magnet, so it's gonna snap on. So to use this template, what you want to do is go to your design. So here I'm going to select the first design. So I'm going to go to the top right and click Save As. I'm only going to select page 2 and 3, which are these two. Page 2 and 3. Click Done. Download. So they're right here, these two. So I'm going to go to Uploads. Upload media. I'm going to select my cards. I'm going to go to my printer template. I'm going to go to my second page. And I'm going to click. So now I'm going to just make it smaller so it fits on that little square. So now I'm going to just copy. I'm going to add another page so I can print the other side of the card. And there you go, you have the back of the card, the front of the card. Let me put this one at the top. So we have the front and the back. So the next step is to go to the top right, click Save As. We are going to select PDF Print and select page 2 and 3, which is page 2 here and 3. Done. Download. So here is our PDF file. This is the front of the card and it has 6 cards. And this is the back of the card. And it's ready to print. If you have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching this video and you guys have a fabulous day.